Teixeira, and there are now 3 more tips for how to make your small bathroom feel large. One is install a mirror instead of just over the vanity, the whole width of the wall. It reflects light, it makes the place larger, and actually it allows 2 people to use the mirror at the same time. A second tip is mount the towel bar or hooks behind the door. We do that in my bathroom, and it's fabulous. We have our towels there, and they're out of the way. Open the door, you don't even see them. And then a third really nifty trick, especially if it is for a half bath, is use a corner vanity. Takes up far less space, serves the function, and allows you to feel more spacious. Now, if you want more tips about small bathrooms, the economy, anything about the market, subscribe to my YouTube channel or follow me on social. The links are below. Thanks.